Hello, my name's Jack Milne with the House Whisperer Show. It's winter. It's a hard time of year, but if you're thinking about getting ready for the spring market to put your house up for sale, take advantage of this what I call the down season. Minimal hours during the day. I kind of hate it myself, but I try to think of what's going to come in the future that I can do while these lazy days are in front of us. So, by the way, I'm sitting on Vet Stadium seats. Veteran Stadium was demolished probably 20 years ago, and had an opportunity to pick up some of these seats before they got destroyed. So I call this the lounge in the back of the Milne Mansion. So anyway, let's talk about the spring market. It usually kicks in right around the middle of March. So if you know you're going to sell, take this opportunity to start to declutter your house. If you have children that have since moved on, but their stuff is all over the house, give them a ring and tell them you've got a fixed amount of time to either get your possessions out or else I'm going to take control of them. In today's world, the Red Cross, the veterans, Goodwill, Restore, all these little niches will be more than happy to take your possessions. I've had to declutter a few of my parents' homes after they passed on, and I kind of call it the 1/2 rule. 1, do I need it? And 2, do I not need it? And it takes that long to make that decision as to what's going to stay and what's going to move on. Get a dumpster. They run about $1,000 for a big one, and you may not need that much of a big one, but it feels good when you say, you know what, we really don't need this. We really don't need this. Clean out your attic. There's probably stuff that's been up there for maybe decades. I'll use it one day. Well, that day's over. So take a look around the house. Store things that you need to. Keep those keepsakes that you want to. In most cases, people of my age are now downsizing, so keep that in mind. That if we have 5 bedrooms full of furniture, we're moving into a house with 3. So how do we make those personal changes so that we can move on comfortably? So if you like the topic, hit the subscribe button, hit that like button, and if you'd like to get a copy of my monthly newsletter, hit that subscribe button one more time, and we'll make sure you get it. I'll see you next time.